Welcome to your brand new walkway. I'll make an inch. You'll do more than dog capture.
Hi.
Hello, this is my partner Nick. We're from NRX Landscaping, and we're giving away some free quotes. We're wondering if you're interested in getting a quote for your walkway.
You mean this part, right?
This.
Not the driveway.
Well, we're just looking at, right now we're looking at the walkway. I mean, yeah, your driveway could use a little bit of work, but for our special, it would only include the walkway portion.
So honestly, I'm not proud of this part of my house.
No,
But you want to make a quote, like replace?
Yeah, well, we not just that, we want to not just replace the section, but we'd like to kind of extend it a little bit. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe the same width.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, because we need to keep this one. Okay.
Well, I don't want it to go down this way, but we'd like to have a longer walkway. So let's say we go from here, and then you have, because those 3 slabs together, that's 6 feet. So we'll go 12 by 6. You'll go increase it from 6 by 5. You get another additional 7 feet this way. So you're gonna pretty much almost triple your walkway space. We'll do it for a good price. Let's do it for $0 per square foot. Okay, so I think we can. Hopefully, we get this job.
Let's see what he says.
Yeah, it's yeah, we really hope we get this job. I know you did some work here, and it didn't turn out the greatest. But we'll try to make it right. Yeah, I guess we're just going to show you the price first.
Yeah, definitely gonna make it worse. So that's a good part.
No, it looks good. So we came up.
You estimated, right?
We came up with the numbers. So we're gonna do.
I'm not gonna guess.
7 by 12. So we're gonna go 12 feet out by 7 feet. 84
It's size,
square
not
feet.
the price, right?
Okay. So we're gonna charge you $0 per square foot.
It's a nice joke. Let's go.
No, we're doing a contest.
You're the first homeowner that we knocked on. We're looking around and we're looking for the perfect homeowner to provide with a free walkway.
$0.
$0. This is for you.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe you should check with your boss.
Okay, slowly, please. So you're gonna extend the walkway, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And for real materials, like
not imaginary. No, we're gonna do it. First of all, before how did you try? What did you do to fix this in the past?
I put some sand, some gravel, try to
just
lift one.
The heavy
slab.
That's why I'm not happy. So I gave up on this. Saying, okay, whatever.
Yeah. Well, wow. What I guess perfect timing.
We can fix it for you.
So,
yeah, bring the wife. Let's see what she says.
Let me check. She was in the shower.
Okay. Hey.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi. What happened? Did you see your very expensive walkway?
Okay. So let me. So here's Marina.
Hello.
Marina. Oh, that's my mom's name.
Okay. So the guys. Just listen, okay?
Yeah.
It's hard to very bad. So they wanna walkway replace it.
Yeah.
So you're not happy with this one, but
Yeah.
they're gonna extend it,
Yeah.
okay? And they make a wall.
Yeah.
It's this. Look here. It's at this price.
No.
No, it's what I said. And so they okay. I don't know how to explain, but they're doing something like promotion, whatever. Remember, we play lottery. So finally, we won. We won.
Perfect. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna take these out, throw them in the garbage, and put down some new pavers. Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. I'm very excited.
right, here we took out the patio slabs, and underneath the patio slabs we can see why he was experiencing some shifting and some sinking. So here we have a mix of different types of aggregates. We are going to replace all of this with our own aggregate, which is HPB. So what you don't want to see underneath the patio is all this dust. When you see all this dust, that means there is cause for erosion. So when we're getting rain or any water, this will move out of the way of the water, and then we'll get some dipping and some shifting in our pavers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of this out, take this out, and we're going to replace it with something called HPB. HPB has zero dust, so we don't want any erosion over time from water. So this is what we're going to be using for our base, along with Gator Base from Alliance. Okay, so here we have our 3-foot speed square. We're going to use this to ensure that our patio is straight with the house. So we want to take a consistent point, which is the foundation of this porch here, and we just want to line it up for excavation, just to make sure we're aligning with the house.
Hey folks, how we doing? So today we're about to do a nice little walkway for this wonderful couple here. We like to do squares just to make it easier when we don't have a machine here. So we break everything into squares and go in for removal. It's a lot easier and you're almost there close to your grade, but it'll be a lot less work later and a lot cleaner as we go.
So the main reason why we're able to install this walkway completely in one day is because we don't have to excavate too much. And the reason why we don't have to excavate too much is we're going to be using this product right here. It's made by Alliance. It's called Gator Base. So this incredible pad actually replaces about 6 inches of aggregate. So all we need to do, we need to lay down our geotextile filter cloth for soil separation. The ground is already compacted, so it's ready to go. Followed by about 1 inch of HPB, and then after the HPB goes in, we screed it out and we just lay these pads which interlock to each other. So we'll show you some footage once we're finished the installation of these, and then the pavers just directly go directly on top of these. There's a few more steps after the pavers go on just to make sure it's secured in, and we have all the necessary equipment to get that done. But like I said, this is the main reason why we're able to do these installs in just one day. Hey guys, so we're making excellent progress. It's been about 30 minutes since we finished excavating, and you can see we did about 1 inch of HPB. Everything's already graded, everything's already set. Our rails are going to come out, so we're going to fill that in. So now we're ready for some Gator Base, and this is super simple. All you have to do, you lay it down on your freshly graded, well, we use HPB in this instance. So all you have to do is lay it down, and they interlock with one another. So they all essentially become one piece. So this one will interlock with this, and it's seamless. And then we're going to continue our way down over here, all the way to the end of our walkway, and then we're going to continue this way. Now we're going to stagger the pieces as we continue this way. So we're not going to, we want to cut the bonds even, just like pavers. So we want to lay it in a brick pattern. So we're going to cut this one in half, put that half piece here, and then we're going to lay this piece right here. So it'll be in a brick pattern. It'll stagger the joints so that there's no 4 corners, just like when you lay down pavers. All right. Hey guys, so you can see we're pretty much all done. We have a few steps left. We have to put a couple more cuts around the borders at the top, and then now we're doing our gator base edge restraints. So this is gator edge. It's very important to use to prevent any kind of shifting from the pavers. So the best way to do this is using their proprietary screws. So these screws are very cool. What happens is when you drill in, this area widens out directly underneath the gator base pads themselves. So they lock the screw into the pad, which locks the edging into the pad as well. That's it. It is rock solid. It's one with the gator base pads.
Are you guys? Yes.
Yes.
Ready?
Here. Oh, perfect.
We are ready for your reveal.
Okay.
Welcome to your brand new walkway.
Oh
It's shiny.
Shiny new.
wow.
Just be careful not to walk on it for a little bit. We have the sand to cure.
Oh my god. I can
You like?
take a picture that was before. It's like
Oh, don't worry, we have. Yeah, we have.
it looks like it's been here forever. Guys,
Yeah.
amazing.
So once everything, the sand in here, once it cures, you can wash it off a little bit cleaner.
Yeah.
We need to leave.
Yeah.
Leave it. Let the sand get hard. It's polymeric sand. It's like it becomes a lot
Solid.
harder. Yeah, like almost like cement.
Wow.
Yeah.
You can walk home just this way.
No,
Now you have to go all the time.
You have to see the house.
Yeah, come.
How much it changes the house.
Wow.
It's like,
Wow.
wow.
Wow. House is bigger now.
Oh yeah.
Bigger.
Bigger, more expensive.
Yeah, 20,000 on top of everything.
Yeah.
My god, now we need to renovate the house.
I'll leave your card.
Too expensive for our house. So guys, I mean,
We hope you like it.
You like?
I love it.
we,
Awesome.
That's great.
guys, you know,
Yes. Oh, you're very. I'm glad you guys love it.
Mhm. With this design too, like it's a really pretty design.
Oh yes.
oh my gosh.
Ta-da!
What a difference, huh? One day difference.
Speechless.
It fits, it fits.
Did you think this morning that you would have this by the end of the day?
No.
We're good. We're good at what we do.
Yeah, we are good. Yeah, we know it because we love what we do, and
Yeah.
we love that we can do stuff like
You
this.
cannot do it without loving your stuff. So.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, we
Thank you.
love it. We love it.
Look at this piece.
Yeah,
Yeah. Everything cuts. Yeah.
Whoa.
every little piece. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
even the corners, we did it
Yeah.
like on a 45.
Yeah.
It's
This
perfect.
little piece.
Yeah.
Perfect, guys.
Okay. Yeah, and you can see Joseph did a nice cut around your.
Around the downspout.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
I love it.
oh my god. So accurate, so fast.
Yeah, we worked hard today. Yeah.
This is the hardest we've worked in a long time.
Yeah. We want to
It's-
stay.
yeah.
It's these guys are awesome.
Yeah.
I know you are.
Sausage. Oh, you're
Yeah, we should make a party about it. Table here.
But you can honestly, it's so much more space. It's so useful now.
Yes.
You don't
Yeah.
have to kind of touch it.
Yeah.
It's a walkway. It's a real walkway now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and our neighbors coming back this month, so
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
we need more people like this. In our life, gonna be beautiful, and he's gonna be better.
Oh,
Yeah, and
thank you.
Yeah, you know what? Like I know that we're able to do nice things, and like people, the last day she told us it's a once in a lifetime thing. Like this never happens to, and then to be able to offer that experience to multiple people, it feels great for me too.
We try to count what something similar had happened to us before. We lived long life together. We cannot recall anything close. Like I said, I never.
Yeah.
You'll never forget us then.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I like that.
Can you take a picture of us together?
Yes.